Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Is your Android phone getting uncomfortably hot while charging? Overheating can be concerning, and if left unchecked, it might even damage your device in the long run. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today's video, we will explore why your Android phone might be overheating during charging and walk you through several solutions to keep your device cool and safe. Let us dive right in. Before we get into the solutions, let us quickly go over some of the common reasons why your phone might overheat during charging. This includes using a faulty charger, charging in a hot environment, running power-hungry apps in the background, and more. Understanding these causes will help us address the issue effectively. Reason number 1. Using a faulty charger or cable. One of the most common causes of overheating during charging is using a faulty or incompatible charger or cable. Cheap or damaged chargers can deliver inconsistent power, causing your phone to overheat. Check your charger. Make sure you are using the charger that came with your phone or a reputable third-party charger that meets your phone's specification. Inspect your charging cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or bent connectors. If you find any issues, it is time to replace the cable. Using the right charger and cable is crucial for your phone's safety. Always opt for high-quality accessories to avoid overheating problems. Reason number 2. Charging in a hot environment. Charging your phone in a hot environment such as direct sunlight or near a heat source can cause it to overheat. Here's what you should do. Charge indoors. Always charge your phone in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight or any heat-emitting devices. Avoid charging in bed. Charging your phone under a pillow or blanket can trap heat, leading to overheating. Make sure your phone is in a well-ventilated area while charging. By simply being mindful of where you charge your phone, you can significantly reduce the risk of overheating. Reason number 3. Running power-hungry apps while charging. Running heavy apps or playing games while charging can put extra strain on your phone's processor, causing it to heat up. Here's how to manage it. Close background apps. Before charging, close any apps running in the background. You can do this by tapping the Recent Apps button and swiping away apps you are not using. Avoid intensive tasks. If possible, avoid using your phone for gaming, video streaming, or other intensive tasks while it is charging. Letting your phone rest while it charges can prevent it from overheating and also speed up the charging process. Reason number 4. Charging overnight or for extended periods. Charging your phone overnight or for long periods can cause it to overheat, especially if your phone doesn't have a proper battery management system. Here's what you can do. Avoid overnight charging. Try to unplug your phone once it reaches 100% to avoid unnecessary heat buildup. Use battery management features. Many modern Android phones have battery management features that stop charging at 100% and resume just before you wake up. Enable this feature in your phone setting if available. Being mindful of how long you leave your phone plugged in can help reduce the risk of overheating and prolong your battery life. Reason number 5. Software glitches and bugs. Software glitches or bugs can sometimes cause your phone to overheat during charging. Keeping your software up to date can help. Update your software. Check if there are any available software updates by going to Settings, System, Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Restart your phone. If your phone has been running for a long time without a restart, a simple reboot can clear out any temporary bugs causing overheating. Keeping your software updated is essential for smooth performance and can often fix minor issues that cause overheating. Reason number 6. Battery health and age. As your phone's battery ages, it may start to overheat more easily, especially during charging. Here's what you can do. Check battery health. Some Android phones have a battery health feature in the settings. If your phone doesn't have this option, you can use third-party apps like AccuBattery to check the battery's health. Replace an old battery. If your battery health is significantly degraded, consider getting it replaced by a professional. An aging battery can be a significant contributor to overheating, so keeping an eye on battery health is essential for your phone's longevity. Reason number 7. External factors and case usage. Believe it or not, the phone case you use might contribute to overheating, especially during charging. Here's why. Remove the case while charging. If your phone tends to overheat, Try removing the case while charging to allow better air circulation. Use a ventilated case. Consider using a case with ventilation holes or a thinner design to help dissipate heat more effectively. Removing the case during charging or opting for a more breathable case design can make a noticeable difference in your phone's temperature. Reason number 8. Malware or unwanted background processes. Malware or unwanted background processes can cause your phone to work harder than it needs to, leading to overheating during charging. Here's how to check for it. Run a malware scan. Use a reputable antivirus app to scan your phone for malware. If anything suspicious is found, follow the app's instruction to remove it. Manage background processes. Go to Settings, Battery usage to see which apps are consuming the most power in the background. Uninstall or restrict apps that you don't use often. Keeping your phone free of malware and managing background processes can significantly reduce unnecessary strain on your device, keeping it cool during charging. Reason number 9. Third-party chargers and accessories. Using third-party chargers and accessories that are not certified for your phone can cause overheating issues. Here's what to keep in mind. Use certified accessories. Always use chargers and cables that are certified by your phone's manufacturer or meet the necessary safety standards. Avoid fast charging adapters. If your phone is not designed for fast charging, using a fast charging adapter can cause overheating. Stick to the charger that is recommended for your device. Using the right accessories for your phone is crucial in preventing overheating and ensuring safe charging. Bonus tip: monitor temperature with apps. If you want to keep a closer eye on your phone's temperature, you can use apps to monitor it. Install a temperature monitoring app. Download an app like CPU-Z or AccuBattery from the Google Play Store. These apps can show you real-time temperature data and help you identify when your phone is getting too hot. Set temperature alerts. Some apps allow you to set temperature alerts so you can take action before your phone overheats. Monitoring your phone's temperature can help you identify patterns and prevent overheating before it becomes a problem. Recap and final thoughts. Recap: there are several reasons why your Android phone might be overheating during charging, including using faulty chargers, charging in hot environments, running power-hungry apps, and more. By addressing these issues, you can keep your phone cool and safe. Always remember to use certified accessories, keep your phone's software updated, and avoid charging in extreme conditions. And that's it. We hope these tips help you resolve any overheating issues you have been experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any other tech problems you'd like us to cover. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.